Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials: a verified PayPal account and Google Pay set up on the same phone. Once done, make sure the card or bank you want a link is already added to PayPal or available to add. Open Google Pay and sign in. You'll need to allow permissions for contacts and payments so the apps communicate. This step speeds the process and prevents verification delays, because mismatched info is the most common blocker when you try to link accounts. Now you actively link the services. In Google Pay, go to Payment Methods, choose Add Payment Method, and pick PayPal. When prompted, log into PayPal and read the permissions. You must allow Google Pay to access your PayPal balance and use it for purchases. After authorizing, pick which PayPal funding source you want as default: bank, card, or PayPal balance, and complete any two-factor authentication. Make sure to allow background refresh so future authorizations are seamless. This reduces friction at checkout. Finish by verifying the connection. Make a small test payment or check the payment methods list to ensure PayPal appears and shows an active status. Once confirmed, Google Pay will use PayPal where accepted. If a merchant doesn't support PayPal payments via Google Pay, switch to the linked card. If you hit errors, check that PayPal supports Google Pay in your country and currency, re-authenticate PayPal in Google Pay, and when stuck, clear cache or reinstall the apps before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.